Hey everybody, so if you guys want to see an unboxing or a bag, please stay tuned. Alright, so you guys, I ordered this bag from 6 p.m. I thought it was from Amazon, but it does have the Amazon bag. It was shipped from there. So I'm going to go to 6 p.m. website so I give you guys all the details. And yeah, so that's where I ordered it from. But I think it ships from Amazon because it's in an Amazon bag. I believe so because it's got the Prime thing there. So I guess so. Yeah, Amazon. Yeah. So let me log into my account. Oh, okay, we already in there. So hold on for a minute. All right, so okay, so basically I got this last month. It is October 1st today, and I did receive this on the 16th of September. Okay, so this is a 9 West bag, and I did purchase from 6 p.m. but like I said, it was delivered by Amazon, so I believe you can probably get it off Amazon. I'm not sure, but I ordered it from 6pm.com. Okay, all right, so yeah, all right, so let's get into it. All right, hold on. All right, so I'm unbagging it, and this is gonna be my work bag. So now that I'm unbagging it tonight, I'll be able to wear it tomorrow finally, which is bad because I didn't really have time to record. But now that I have time today, I was like, I'm going to use it tomorrow. Alright, so that's how they did it. This is cutesy. I like this, okay? So this is 9 West, as you guys could see. I'll tell you the damage in a minute. They got it all, you know, plasticed up and everything, so we're gonna take everything off. I don't have any scissors here, which is annoying. Oh, okay, so I got some scissors here so we can take off the 9 West tag. Okay, all right, and the plastic. I'm not supposed to be using these scissors, but okay. Alright. Got all the stuffing in there. Okay. Gotta clean all this up. All this bag stuffing. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all the inside in a minute. Oh Lord. Oh, they bagged it pretty good. Okay, don't take this off. Okay. Alright. And take that off. Okay, plastic. Okay. Alright. Alright, so we're going to go up close. Alright, y'all. Here we are. Up close and personal. Okay. So this is the bag here. It's 9 West. I'm going to show y'all. Okay, this is what it is. And we're going to go on the inside. So this is what the inside is looking like. Okay. And they have a zipper compartment on the inside. So let's just back it up a little bit so you guys could get like a, okay, so it's like a zipper on the inside, the compartment, and then you go in here. All right, and that's just what it is. We have 2 compartments there, and they have a zipper here. Okay, deep. All right, And that's about it. So they have two sides, and then a middle compartment, as you guys can see. And then underneath, this is what it's looking like here. This is the back. They have a little clip here. Not clip, a little, so you can close the top like that. Then you are good to go. All right, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit. Okay. And then yeah, the bottom I'm not matching, so I can't stand up that much. And they got this little wallet here. Okay, and that's just it. So let's just back up a little bit so you can see it a little bit more. All right, so this is what it's looking like. So this is the unbagging of the 9 West bag. It's an affordable bag, and I'm on a budget. So yeah, I don't have all that money to be getting those other expensive bags. Maybe later on down the line, but right now, no. So I'm gonna give you it's a Paulson, a 9 West Paulson tote. It's black. The price is $33.95. I believe that's how much I paid for it at the time. I'm gonna go into it so I can give you guys more of the specifications. Hold on. All right, so basically they have other colors. They have cream, mocha logo, Monteros logo flora, mushroom logo, pale rose, and sable logo flora. Okay, so the 9 West Paulson tote bag looks elegant and offers adequate space for keeping your essentials handy and organized, perfect for your profession as well as casual looks. Leather construction, zippered top closure, 2 big top handles, 2 zippered interior pockets, 2 open interior pockets, 2 credit card wallet slots attached to the handle, contrasting trims on the exterior walls, all over printed design, metallic branded script accents on the exterior, imported. This product may have manufacturer's warranty. Please visit the manufacturer's website or contact us at warranty@support.zappos.com for full manufacturer warranty details. Measurements, they use the measurements. I'm not going to do all that, but that's about it. Okay, so they have other colors. And again, this was, now it says $34.30, but at the time I paid $33, and it was $98, so it was 65% off right now. So at 6pm.com, they have a lot of sales and things of that sort, so you have to catch them when you catch them. So whatever the price is that you bought them, whatever the case is, so you have to get them when you get them, okay? So I believe they ship from Amazon on the warehouse. I don't know how they do it, but I was like, Amazon? But I ordered it from 6pm.com, so I'm sure you could probably order from Amazon, so I'm not sure, but I went through 6pm.com, and I've ordered from them a long time ago. I don't know if they was doing, you know, I guess packaging with Amazon or what have you. I don't know how is this working, but I don't remember, but I remember I used to order from them a long time ago, and I like 6pm. They have a lot of discounted prices, a lot of discounted clothes that you could buy, shoes and everything else, which I will be doing later on, but not right now. I just wanted to get this bag. So this is the bag. So I'm gonna do what's in my work bag. I'll probably come back a little later. I'm gonna put some things in the bag, and if I don't do the video today, I'll probably do it at a later date and put whatever in this bag, because I'm going to use it tomorrow. And yeah, so you guys can see what I carry in my bag, and that is it. So this is what it is. It's a nice work bag to wear and to have and things of that sort, because you can put everything in there. It's not too big, it's not too small, it looks just right. And I wish it had like a longer handle, but it doesn't, but it's cool. I'm not gonna put that much stuff in it. You know how people like to over stuff? I mean, I can over stuff. I can put a lot of stuff because I have a smaller purse right now, and it has too much stuff in it. Okay, I don't know why. Half the stuff I don't even use, but it's there just in case, you know. But anyway, you know how we do, or how some of us do. Okay, so this is the 9 West bag. It's very affordable, and yeah, don't be ashamed. Okay, if you gotta get a bag, 9 West is good, please. Okay, 9 West be having some good stuff. They got some nice shoes and stuff like that. Like, don't be ashamed. Like, you don't have to be all like, you know, buying, you know, expensive bags, stuff like that, whatever like that. So what? Like, you can buy a regular bag and still look cute and still be bougie at the same time, bougie on a budget. Okay, don't be ashamed. There's nothing to be ashamed about. Like, 9 West's been around for ages, and it's good. Okay, so there we go. All right, so we are done, y'all. So here we go. I'll be wearing this to work tomorrow. Ha! All right, you guys. All right, so this is it. I'm Michael Jackson. I'll talk to you guys later. Let me know if you guys have seen this bag before. I don't know. This is a new bag, old design. I don't know. I just saw it on 6 p.m. and I was like, oh, let me get that. Do you have this bag? Have you heard of this bag? And yes, the leather smells good. It's leather. It smells, yeah. The quality is nice. It's very nice quality. It doesn't look cheap. Okay, it looks like a good quality bag, a nice quality, hefty bag. Okay, you know. So yeah, nice, and it got some nice, has a nice heftiness to it. Okay, all right, that's it, you guys. I'm done. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching, for the unboxing of the 9 West bag. Have a wonderful, blessed day, blessed day watching this, and be on the lookout for what's in my work bag. All right, thank you guys for watching. Peace, bye.